Talking about music now.
That's why on this album, from Adupe,
album
we have Ire. So that Ire...
Yeah, the album don't come.
The album
it don't come?
Yeah, don't come.
Wow. And now you first TV interview.
But they must give us as in we need to know what's in there as in inside.
We'll go here now. So what's in there inside Ire?
This album is called 2+. Ire is just a track. That's the video that's next coming. But we started releasing, I mean, we don't release some of the videos since last year. We do Wedding Day.
Yes.
Where we feature one of our young guys, Tenim.
Yes.
We do Green, White, Green. Where we feature our brother, Two-Face Idibia. Then by the beginning of the year, we can release Omonsa, where we get our sister Funke Akindele inside. So we don't do 3 videos from the album before we can release them, just like a couple of weeks ago. But for now, it's still there for, we circulate them for radio stations. They don't play and where now. In next 2 weeks, I go see a new video, and it be like saying Ire, I go see.
And exclusive, now here we play.
Yes, and they go drop them for us.
Definitely.
Now, if I want to ask another question, I get any regret at all? Because I know, say, even though say we see the smiles, the happiness, and everything, any regret at all?
Regret no day, my dictionary.
Regret no they did it because from that place you go take learn. Learn if things not happen now, no go know as na go handle them. When that kind of thing won't happen again, or how you gonna go take advice another person. So regrets no be the word.
Now challenges, person go say person. You get challenges. Challenges they make us stronger.
Make you become who you be.
They make us wise person. If person reach the age of 80 or 70, when you sit down with time, you not get any challenges for life.
That's a problem.
Waiting won't talk to your children or being grandchildren.
Are we looking forward to any international collaboration?
People don't they talk more, but you know, say before we know they even do national collaborations. They do local ones. So now two of them except for when you see like that Adupe we will just play now, you go see my younger brother. But that one a family. But for this album now, and I we first say okay, make we first start by doing collaboration. So we get people like Nice there, Two-Face, Dami Crane, Brace, Tenim, Shego, Floss.
Talking about Shego, on top of this same seat, exactly where you sit down, we don't make her drink Gary on top of this show.
Watch her on YouTube, make her drink Gary.
We make her drink Gary because he come in the farm all too shallow. And now we look and say, what we go do?
He go complain.
Bring Gary. Yes, we so camera. He say, on national TV, what you going to do?
Okay. If I the last question because I don't really try for us to say today. Now, if you actually get any artist now for inside the musical industry where una fit call your number in terms of the women and the men, number 3 for the women and number 3 for the men.
Say okay, 1, 2, 3. This person, okay, they sing or they deliver. Okay. Male or female.
I make you call your women.
Call women.
Call my women. I like a man with me.
Oh, okay.
I like a man. She bring them.
Yeah.
She bring them.
I think maybe why you like a man because she do the stage thing. Not
we will be live performance.
She's very professional, you know. She go engage the audience and everything. She's a very good singer, and she did very versatile.
Yes, she is.
If not local, she go local for you. If not foreign, she go foreign for you. If not reggae, if not so I like that her Meg Bele song.
Yeah. People when over hear the language like this song.
I don't know if they talk, but I like you know.
They're after Maumi. Another person.
Because they did plenty, but okay. I cannot take it from Waje.
Okay.
Okay.
I cannot take it from Waje. I know too they watch Waje live. I've not really seen her live. I have to. And then
last one.
Can I not mention Tiwa Savage? I mean, how do I
tell myself actually say you don't call Tiwa Savage, but the girl they try. She don't look say she dey pregnant, she still dey
call Tiwa Savage.
All right, but what about you?
Now you can help me. I don't say number one, Sha, because I always appreciate in talent. In get raw talent, you get natural talent. Now real musician, Two-Face Idibia.
Yes.
So I go always now my brother.
Anybody when they play live for me, I get extra love for the person.
Yeah, so,
not be DJ track too.
He be artist and Ingo as we day as we take now so himself go take pass himself because him be real musician. Oh yeah, give me number 2.
Artist, Abi.
Yeah.
Male. Hi.
Then plenty,
There
Abi.
plenty.
That's the thing.
You know, say when we ask I'm gonna tell us. You know, say you say they go studio after they don't hear the sound, smoke some kind of things. Yeah, tell me. So, but you get people where they actually put energy into the thing.
Like no, that we go still they do music with clear eye.
Yes.
Give me another person now. Number 2.
Sun Energy.
Okay.
Sunny, yes.
Sunny Energy na artist.
Those ones.
Any day where you give a mic, you go no say you go hear music. I think we mentioned some of these new guys.
Yes,
too now,
some of these new guys.
Many of them, they good. Oh.
They're good.
They try.
Somebody go say maybe because I be old school.
No, let me tell you, we didn't mention them. Wizkid did there.
Yes.
Davido did there.
We like Woju, we like Kiss Daniel.
Kiss Daniel.
So far, I know say now only 2 songs. We never say I'm live. We never know how far.
You never know how far. But Wizkid
I think Wizkid did there. You have to
give it to him.
Instead of live, you go bring them.
Yeah.
Olamide did there, depending on the song that is.
So one of them will be number 3, Sha. One of them will be number 3.
All right, thank you so much. So much. So the last advice to people where want to be like Una.
Yes.
In terms of music, in terms of marriage.
Put God first.
All right.
Put God first. Be humble. Be humble. It's very important. And don't look for shortcuts in life.
Yeah.
You know, make sure that you can trace the path of your success. Because if you need to fall back, you can retrace the.
Word. Today, I don't know why I don't call him inspirational. How motivational, but I say family, but this thing.
Last word, well, is basically to all our fans out there. To say that we day here after all these years, we still day here. We still they make the music. We still they appreciate them. We still they appreciate us. We say thank you. We appreciate you too, and we say please keep appreciating us, and we promise not to disappoint you.
All right, thanks everyone. So now enter our studio today, and I will say when we call you next time, when I go actually grace our.
Yes, so when the video drop now, here we go for play first.
We're supposed to be the first people to play them.
Yes. Thank you. All right, to my people, will they come back when Betiana go join us on top of the show? You know how they do, and I make them go chinkini break. Will they come back? All right, so my people, we don't come back on a Comedy Friday. You don't say rain they fall and no go out, go catch cold or catarrh. Cover yourself, and that's why on top of Body Kaja today, we'll tell you how you go take wrap up yourself on top of this weather. When they come back, watch the video. Yes, so my people, now can be again on top of Talk. This one now Body Kajad. Today, what we want to talk about now how to cover yourself because with the raining season, the cough and catarrh they flow all over the place. But one thing where they wonderment me, yes, for Lagos, most especially, girls know they like to carry umbrella. They like to carry yanga, enter road, rain go they fall, it go beat you, you go wet. But when nights reach, catarrh and cough go catch you. But today, what thing I want to talk about now how you go take cover yourself during raining season. Raining season, some people go say, they trending. That one be say, go feed do plenty guy. Why? Because say, the clothes where you go wear, feed gauge them up or make you add some kind of fizzy on top. No. What you got to do? Get better rain boots. Yes. No shame to wear them. If you get better one, you go flex them. Or get those sandals where be rubber on, where you go feel wear. Go anywhere, even for office or anywhere where you they go. And also, try to get that raincoat. Yes, so get raincoats where they make from nylon, get umbrella, and also one thing where you no go ever leave for your side na say make you dey drink warm tea. Get that water bottle for warm tea. They drink am as you go because now waiting go help you kill the cold and kata be that. Raining season at that time where things they grow. No they vex say rain they follow because if rain no fall, things no go grow. Now there we dey on top of Talk today. Now waiting we get for you, but cover yourself and make everybody dey safe. Raining season they trendy. It depends on how you take wear your clothes.
Today, when I say I get very fake smile for world. So my smile be like Kanye West, I go just smile. Anyway, on that note, thank you very much, Queen B, because I don't get the kata small. This word I don't they kill me. But maybe we just see our funny video of the day because today now our Comedy Friday and we need to laugh. Una need to laugh. Maybe say this one.
On Yoruba area of Nigeria, I'm searching for a young lady, preferable yellow in color, somebody that is sharing the same hobbies with me. My hobbies is watching ball, catching fun, fearing God, going to night vigil. Contact me on WhatsApp, Facebook. I'm also on Pinging. For natural beauty, you know, even if you are caramel, chocolate, it's still okay. You know, not somebody that is bleaching her skin. You know, as long as you are from abroad, maybe from Tennessee, Los Angeles, Chicago, Birmingham, Manchester. Fortunately, I'm thinking most of my fans is exposed, but it's like some people don't even know meaning of parody. Parody is not like joking stuff. So even if you are not having pay, you can still pass pay. You'll come up with something like creative idea. It's still okay. Hello, babe. Allow me to baptize you with dollars and pounds sterling like John the Baptist. But I know life is not all about golden and silver, so I'm not looking to just smash it and run away. I will take care of you. I'm there for you. There is a lady out there. You are searching for Instagram like about 1,000 and above. You post a picture, ordinary brazier and pint. They say I should tell you your bride price 150 naira only. Change your life today. I sincerely believe if you get opportunity to hit my delicacy, you will be stuck on me. Honestly, I can make Indomie and fry egg. I mix it with nothing. If I'm more of a beef person, I can put comma beef in there just to garnish it a little bit.
Oh my!
Your bride price is 150 naira.
Queen B, this one are your duty. You need to bring Fowls the bad guy in the studio. You need to bring him next week. You have to. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to see this man, you will need to hold Queen B. And next week Friday, we will bring him inside the studio.
Shall bring him.
We need him here. We need him here.
Oh my God!
I don't know 1,000 likes.
You're wearing bra and brazier. And then plenty.
Your bride price is 150 naira. Fowls, he said they look for girl where they go night vigil.
From Los Angeles.
One last we go night vigil.
We go churches now. We go churches
night vigil now.
I go night vigil on Friday last week. Talk your own.
All right. Let's move to them.
Fowls, hello, babe.
All right, on that note, on that beautiful note, we tell you bye-bye for today. Hope so you enjoy yourself today. We do discussion things. We get to get Tunde and Wumi Obey.
Those
we enter inside the studio.
Beautiful.
But tell me, say just be like her wedding day.
Because everything when they talk, people like say that they advise me, say, you know what, saying, oh, this is one that they feel say he has to be a fine boy. Hello, I can't marry him. He doesn't have money. Baby, wake up.
Yeah. Wake up, but you can't wake up, but you wake up. Follow us on top Twitter at TalkWazobia and follow us on top Facebook, TalkWazobia TV. We have come and go, but we will see you on Monday. Say bye-byes.
Bye-bye. And always as we talk,
to talk not be bad thing, but make you know what you get.